Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, the channel that keeps you tuned with the trend of latest AI and other technologies. Today, we will introduce you to the advanced usage of Mistral AI, a well-known competitor of ChatGPT tool, and the multi-language response generator that offers several free models as well as 32K content capacity within the coverage of non-restricted license. In this video, we will explore the concept of integrating Mistral with Google Spreadsheet, just the way we integrated ChatGPT and Claude AI with Google Spreadsheet to automate and smoothen the Google Sheet updating process. You can watch out both the mentioned videos directly from I button. To initiate the step-by-step configuration, let's move towards opening the Google Spreadsheet. This is the Google Spreadsheet which we have integrated with Mistral AI. As you can see, here both columns have already separated. The one in which you have to type your prompt and the other in which the auto-generated response will be updated. So, in the first column, we will give our prompt, which is create a song for outright system. As we will press enter, consequently, the quick generated response will automatically get updated in the second column. For a better experience, we will give another prompt in A column, which is create 2-day diet plan, and will press enter. Similarly, the auto-generated response will be updated in second column. As the auto-generated response process going smoothly, hence here let me know you that how to integrate it. For this, you have to click on the extension button and then have to select the app script option. Once it's done, the coding section of the free Google App script will open to you. The place from where you can see the API key, URL and the entire working code. You can copy this code, API key, URL and other credential directly from the description of this video. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel to get more such videos.